back this Saturday morning, one last full forecast with Mike, and it sounds like we have a lot to look out for in this week to come.
There's a lot to cover. We've got temperatures that'll feel like spring. We've got more winter weather, rain, snow, sleet. We do it all.
Something in it for everybody. That's the positive way to look at it, I think.
Yeah, that's the silver lining. No matter what you like for weather, unless you like 85 degrees and warmer, it's in this forecast.
Wait a while for that.
Yeah, we need a few more months.
A few more months.
Let's take a live look outside this morning. The sunrise this morning, though, looking great. We're looking over York Harbor Beach, courtesy of the Stage Neck Inn. Really beautiful start to the day. I'm actually impressed, but also a little bit glad to see that most of the cloud cover has held off. I expected clouds to thicken up fairly quickly today, which has been the case as we head north. Take a look at Sebec Lake right now in Dover-Foxcroft. A little bit more cloud cover this way, but still a lot of sunshine coming through. Really beautiful to see the sun's lighting up the mountains, and of course you've got an ice fishing shack out on the water. Earlier I said if you have a picture of the sunrise, make sure you send it on in, and Ask and you shall receive. Nancy sent this in from Cape Elizabeth. Again, really just nicely showing how things are quiet right now, but this is going to change as the day goes on. We start to see clouds thicken up and eventually end up with some snow showers and some snow squalls passing through. So here's where the snow is developing as we speak. We've got snow falling across upstate New York from the Watertown area over to Plattsburgh, New York. That's going to move through the Champlain Valley and into Burlington, Vermont. Clouds thickening up over the Northeast Kingdom of Vermont into northern New Hampshire and western Maine. And that's going to be the trend over the next several hours. It's not until about 11 a.m. or noon when we actually start to see our first flakes fly. Headlines for today: snow showers and squalls this evening tonight, especially the squalls that I'm worried about. Cold tomorrow, milder Monday, but the temperature roller coaster continues. And it's a bit of a messy mix to rain situation in the middle of the week, but then we could see yet another snowstorm by the end of the week. So very active weather continues here. Check out the timing on all this. We've got our clouds building in by 8 or 9, mostly cloudy conditions by 9 to 10. And then we've got our first flakes between 11 and noon. They begin across western Maine and northern New Hampshire and gradually spread east. And this first batch of snow showers actually gets slightly more intense as it moves east of the Penobscot River for areas in the county and down east. Likely dropping an inch of snow, and then the snow squalls behind it. Think of this almost as a line of like summertime thunderstorms. Likely some heavy snow underneath these. It gets gusty, and there could even be a little bit of lightning. Those will move through between about 2 and 8 p.m. and colder air moving in behind it means that everything on the roads will freeze and things get slick. I'm not expecting a lot of snow from this, only a coating to 2 inches, but that's still enough to cause some issues for anybody who's out and about, especially later this evening. Tomorrow's a transitionary day. We're back into mild air on Monday. Monday looks very warm. Again, battle of the air masses, cold versus mild on Tuesday. That allows for this storm to develop and actually could lead to a bit of a wintry mix situation. Wednesday, before the cold front comes through, we get wicked warm one more time, though. I'm expecting high temperatures again to be back in the mid-50s across central and southern Maine, maybe even 60 degrees on Wednesday before that front passes. That is going to move colder air in yet again, which means that as we get into Friday, our next storm will likely be all snow. So a little bit of everything in the forecast this week. Marine forecast for today sees about 5 to 8 feet by this afternoon. Southwest wind 20 to 25 knots, gusting to 35 knots. Water temp 42 degrees, partly sunny tomorrow. Mild again on Monday, 45 inland, probably near 50 at the coast. Messy mix to rain Tuesday, and I don't think it's going to be as much of a mess at the coast, just some wintry mix over to rain. Wednesday, very warm, and we're back to cold shortly thereafter. So Chloe, I think that no matter what you like for weather, it's in this forecast. And that's kind of...
It's a good thing. For me, it's Monday and Wednesday because I don't love the snow or the cold, but at least we got that in there before that storm, potentially Friday. I'm
looking forward to Friday. I think we should get one more good one before I'm ready for spring.
Fair enough. One more, and then we're done. Okay, thanks, Mike.